Different hemming methods affect durability, appearance, and overall product quality. First, flat lock stitching. This method creates a smooth, low-profile seam that reduces friction and improves comfort, especially for wearable textile products. Next, standard rolled hemming. It is widely used in basic textile products. The edge is folded and stitched to create a clean and stable finish suitable for bulk production. Wide rolled hemming. Compared to standard hemming, it provides a stronger edge structure and better durability, making it suitable for products requiring longer service life. Another common method is overlock stitching. This is used to prevent fabric edges from fraying. It is fast, efficient, and widely applied in mass production lines. Finally, high elastic dense overlock stitching. It maintains elasticity while reinforcing the edge. Each hemming method serves a different purpose. The choice depends on fabric type, product usage, and required durability standards.